Let's talk about change without self-sabotage. So here's something important to know. Many of us have big dreams, big goals, and deep desires to change, especially when it comes from that deep soul's calling. But when it comes time to make that happen, more often than not, we end up sabotaging ourselves. So here's your flow tip number 20. How we change without self-sabotage by taking it in small, manageable steps. When most people want to change, they look at the gap between where they are right now and where they want to be, and it feels overwhelming. The vision is so big and far from where they're starting that it's intimidating, of course. And so, what happens next? After being inspired and often full of enthusiasm at the beginning, that change feels like too big of a leap. So, their deepest beliefs kick in and they snap them back right into place. They're pulled right back to where it feels safe, right back to what's comfortable. Think of it this way. If you try to jump 10 steps ahead of your comfort zone, it's going to feel impossible and too far removed from who you believe yourself to be right now. Yes, you might want to listen to that sentence again. That's when the self-sabotaging thoughts kick in, telling you you don't belong here or this isn't who you are. The trick is hold on to that big vision, but break it down into smaller chunks. Think of the end goal, but ask yourself, what's a manageable next step that feels exciting, only slightly uncomfortable, and is still a step in the right direction? This isn't about making a radical overhaul all at once. Imagine trying to revamp your relationship, start a new gym routine, change your diet completely, update your social circle, and step into a new role at work all at once. It would be too much. Of course, it would be. You wouldn't be able to keep it up. And before you know it, you'd start thinking, this new me can't be me. Instead, take two steps beyond your comfort zone, not 10. Take it step by step so it stretches you just enough to make progress, but doesn't feel impossible. This way, the change still feels achievable and your inner critic doesn't go into overdrive. And in the end, this approach will keep your inner demons at bay, allowing you to move toward those big goals faster than you might think. By making progress in manageable chunks, you're giving yourself the best chance to reach that big dream without feeling defeated or, quite frankly, talking yourself out of it before you even start. You could also say that small steps will make you reach your goal, where too big a goal often stops you from taking even the smallest steps. So start small. Keep your big vision alive and take one or two steps out of your comfort zone today, and then again tomorrow, and then again the day after. It'll get you closer, faster than you think.